Here we have a 2010 Ford Econoline E150 handicap wheelchair conversion van. It is a Tuscany VMI with 66,000 original miles. It has a Rycon 800-pound two-post lift, fully loaded, clean Carfax. Beautiful blue van, clean title, no rust. It's been a Southern van its whole life. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Really nice, clean van. 2010 Ford. Very straight, nice, gorgeous blue metallic color. Body's in excellent shape. I'll point out any flaws I can find. Does have two-tone gray leather interior. The interior is in nice shape. Give us a call anytime. Call or text us. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We specialize in handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans. We accept any type of trade-ins. Give us a call. The wheelchair lift was just serviced. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. The wheelchair lift is from 2019. It's almost like a brand new lift. Condition is excellent. As you can see, it is, oh, I'm sorry, it is a 200-pound lift. 200-pound lift. Sorry for the miscommunication there. It is a fully leather interior, rear power folding bench seat bed. You got all your indirect lighting throughout. TV, entertainment system, everything's working. There's just normal signs of wear and tear along the panels that you normally see on these vans. It does have ratchet strap tie downs in the floor. Like I said, normal wear and tear on the interior, but overall it's very nice and clean. Very nice, clean van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Does have backup camera. This is a rear power folding bench seat. It is working. Everything is functioning mechanically, runs and drives great. Tires are excellent. Paint and body's nice. Super, super nice van. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. We are happy to help. Laser straight down the sides. Got your running boards. 66,000 original miles. Driver's seat shows a little bit of wear for the age, but nothing crazy. There's no rips or tears. 66,642 miles. Does have the aftermarket radio, Kenwood. Backup cameras in the mirror. Very nice, clean van, power seats. It's a 5.4 liter V8. Give us a call at any time, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. As you can see, the tires like new, excellent shape, Michelin's. Very, very nice, clean van. I'm gonna put up the wheelchair lift so you can see how this thing operates. Does operate and work exactly the way it's supposed to. It was just serviced. The manufacturer date on this wheelchair lift is 2019. So it's quite an upgrade for this van. Yeah, the wheelchair lift is operated with the handheld pendant, and it's a slide away, so it slides right out of the way once it's in the van. Super nice and easy setup. Give us a call. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram. If you find this video helpful, if you'd like to see some of our other vans, check out our YouTube channel here. Subscribe. We do have new vans coming in every day, every week. Give us a call. Don't hesitate. We're happy to call and talk to you at any time. We can deliver straight to your driveway if you need. If you want to fly into the airport, we can pick you up. beautiful sunny South Florida. We have not been affected by the hurricane, thankfully. We were very fortunate. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. The top has a couple small bug chips in it. The hood has a couple small bug chips in it. The chrome bumpers are excellent. Up and down the side of the vehicle is very nice. There's a couple tiny little bug chips on the driver's door, but overall very, very nice. Again, 66,000 miles. It is running. The emergency brake light is on because you need that deployed to use the wheelchair lift. Under the hood, it's completely rust free, as you can see. Very nice. It's a 5.4 liter V8, California emissions. You can ship anywhere in the world. Need any help, just let us know. Completely rust free. Underneath is excellent on this van, as you can see. Don't hesitate to call anytime. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You can text us to that number. Love to hear from you. Been in business 45 years, Boca Raton, Florida. 5-star reviews. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks again for looking. Don't hesitate to call anytime.